Red. It's not just a color, it's a love of symbol. How that, like your mother applies sindoor, you know that whom she is applying for whom she's applying for her father, and that's what called a love of symbol. It's not just a color, it's a love of symbol. That's right. So diversity. Now everybody says unity in diversity, and India is the most diverse country. I agree, India is the most diverse country, but I don't see any unity that you guys say in this. Dislike. All the people say that I dislike this, but they don't know the real meaning of dislike. Dislike means the thing which you don't like.
Hi everyone!
Hi!
How are you all?
I'm
That's great. Even our session is also going to be so much interesting. जिसका नाम है क्रिएटिव स्पीच, जिसमें कुछ नहीं करना. इन वेरिएंट्स को मिली है एक बुक, जिस बुक से इनको एक वर्ड फाइंड करना है, एंड ऑन द स्पॉट दे हैव टू शो देयर क्रिएटिविटी एंड हैव टू स्टार्ट परफॉर्मिंग. सो आर यू रेडी फॉर दैट?
Yes!
लेट्स बिगिन इट. सो योर फर्स्ट लेटर जिससे रिलेटेड आपको अपनी बुक में वर्ड फाइंड करना है वो है D. And you have 10 seconds. 1, 2, find it. Close your book. If you got it, close your book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close your book if you are done. Keep it back. Keep it down. 6, 7, 8. अगर आपको वर्ड नहीं मिलता you will be out. 9. Keep your book down. And last and the final one is 10. Oh my God. Almost everybody got it? Okay. So let's get started. Your 1-minute speech. Start.
So diversity. Now everybody says unity in diversity, and India is the most diverse country. I agree, India is the most diverse country, but I don't see any unity that you guys say in this. Like for example, let's take if we go out on the road and we say that hi, where are you from? Then most of the time people from Bihar are discriminated because they are from Bihar. I don't know why, and it is not so called unity in diversity.
Thank you so much.
From the one thing that also that fear all the people, that is from doctor, because as we all know about the doctor, that's known as the god, but we are fearing from his injection and etc. And the doctor didn't think about his life and another life, because he think about his life because his all the country.
That's it. I want it creative, different. It should be different by your actions and by your energy, by your style.
Day. In your each and every life, I found only one word, that is day. Okay, doing action, and you also know about days like Monday, Sunday, and each and every aspects. They're known as day.
Okay.
So the word is day. So you have seen when the sun goes up, and when we seen the day, so we feel fresh. Then we ready for some offices and schools, so we feel good. And then our day also good like this. Like on Monday there is something in which we feel good. In Tuesday there's something in which we
That's it. Sohan.
dislike. All the people say that I dislike this, but they don't know the real meaning of dislike. Dislike means the thing which you don't like. Like I don't like tea. I dislike tea because the tea is so much harmful and it contains many of the diseases. Thank you.
Okay, that's right. Samrit.
Dog. We know a dog who is, or someone will think that dog, bo. Hey, dog is this, but when dog want to need to eat cat, so what's cat reply? Meow, because dog want to eat her.
Okay, Ashmira.
Difficult. This word is common for you, but its meaning is not common. It meaning something different you can do. Means something alag. Okay, that's it. And if you are doing something different now, like creative speech, doing acting, that all the things.
Thank you. Clap for everyone. everybody performed. That if I have to choose any two speakers who brought something different in their performance, so very first I'll take this Bhava boy. Samar, clap for him. And second will be Suhani, because I liked her dislike explanation. It was good. Clap for her. Okay, now ask your partners to get up faster. Ready? Another. Sit. No, you cannot help them. Ready, guys? Ashmira, you can stand up again. Being alone has got clarity. Shall we? Okay, people. Don't open the books right now. So your letter is... Shall I?
Yes.
Your letter is R. Find faster. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't take the help of your partners. 6. Close your book if you are done. 7, 8, 9. Last and the final one is number 10. Everybody done? Okay, that's great. Ready for your speech? Okay, I'm super excited. The very first person is going to be Ananya.
Reuse. What does this mean? Means if you are throwing one thing and using it again, so that means reuse. As my brother threw a small pencil and I reuse it again for my diagrams. So I'm reusing that pencil and not wasting it. This what means reuse.
Rana.
Guys, think if you means you win a competition and guys you achieve something. What it is the reward. Means you win something, a competition type of, it is any competition of race and anything, it is the reward. What can be the reward? Anything that they want to give you reward.
Okay, something funny I want, interesting. Sarah.
Red. It's not just a color. It's a love of symbol. How, like your mother applies sindoor. You know that whom she is applying for whom she's applying for her father. And that's what called a love of symbol. It's not just a color. It's a love of symbol.
That's right. Ashmira.
Rich. See, I am rich for this only. Richard. You have listened this name, Richard. I do not think so. It is not that much common. But in other countries, it is common. Rich means he is rich. And he's Richard. He's done even.
It's just a name of a person. Okay, next, Usman.
Ruler. A word which means that person is ruling you. That is called ruler. Same like my friends. They think that they are ruler, but as they are servant, that's another thing. And ruler, to being a ruler, we have to improve ourselves and be the best one in a group.
Oh, that's great. Divya.
Rubbies, a boy who used to do hard work but not smartness. Once his teacher asked him to suppose this, and he even asked, suppose you are having 10 rupees. And his teacher said, yes, I am having 10 rupees. What he has done? Give my 10 rupees. Arre, give me.
Okay, next. Funny.
Rabies, disease that can cause with our friends, and it can mainly cause with dogs, like my friends in buddies and in our classroom, etc. Thanks.
That's great. Has everybody done? Yes. Okay, clap for all the speakers. That was seriously different. But if I have to choose again two best speakers, so first I'll go with this ruler boy. Clap for him. And second, I will go with this Ek Chutki Sindoor, our symbol of love. Sarah, clap for both of them. Okay. So now, अगर आप भी चाहते हो इन्हीं बनियंस की तरह कुछ नया सीखना और हर एक challenges के लिए ready रहना जैसे हमारे बनियंस है, so for that you can join our Buddy English Academy's platform. Thank you so much.